it's time for me to go for rendering. Actually, there is no such thing as diamond render in the Autocad, but we will be using or adapting the glass. The property or the translucent property of the glass is also the same also with diamond, so we will try to adapt that one. If we will be searching here the word diamond, there are also diamond words in relation to the material, like diamond rosette, diamond plate, but all of those are ceramic. We will be using the glass. I will adapt to the color blue, so I'm looking here for the color blue diamond or glass here. Okay, this is already the output. Most of the diamonds are white gold. We will go to metallic paint. So this is also a metal. We'll go to metallic paint, to this library. Search for metallic paint. Or silver color. Silver. Okay, polished silver. We have here the satin silver. We will try this one as for our render. Okay. As trial and error, we will go to render and go for render command. Satisfying. We will try polished silver. Not that shimmering. Okay. This one. A. Do you know that there are also diamond making or jewelry making software that is really intended for making of the jewelries, but their material browser is for jewelries only. But here we will try to represent something realistic. For the blue one, I will try to add an illumination. Let's see. I will check for the illumination. How about for the dim glow? I adjust the glossy. I'll go for the bump. No need to go for the bump. Then render again. It's really satisfying. This output is very simple, but the principles of making the jewelry are just the same. Then you as student, you can always show your creativity. So I have already an activity sheet or information to be instructed to you that you will be making a jewelry. Okay, we're already done with the rendering. For the rendering, the usage of rendering is merely for checking. And we will proceed to the advanced rendering process. Okay, first is we will go to the top view. We will be creating a plane surf here. Okay, like this. Next is we will go to the front view. Okay. For the front view is we will also be making another plane surf. Actually, we cannot really see the plane. So it's like this, plane surf. From here, going here. Okay, this. So now our ring is not merely on the right position. We can always move the ring going up. So what we will be doing now is we will be presenting the ring as if it is to be for selling. Next is we will go to the material browser. I will be choosing a ceramic for the base and metallic paint for the metallic paint, or we will be choosing another. Let's go to ceramic. Okay, like this. So zoom in and zoom out. So this is our ring now. We will go to top view. Go to render. Then spotlight. Turn off default lighting. And from here, reach to the other side. Then click exit. We already created a flashlight. Proceed to the left side view. Move the spotlight. Be sure you control the F8. Okay, this is already the estimated height for the spotlight. Okay. We will be checking it. Okay, good. For the spotlight, we can always change the illumination from 1.0 to 0.1 or 0.5. Zoom in, and we will be checking the render activity. Close. So far, I am not satisfied with the angle, so we will be adjusting the angle. How about in this kind of position? Then render. okay. This output is already okay. The ring is realistic and there is also a sort of reflection. No. My demonstration will end here.